Well, you get it. I gotta start out looking the crankcase back so I can slide it over. Oh, she's gone done.
Yeah. Oh. What's she hooked on? Is it the back?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hooked on something. Oh.
It's hooked up under.
Yeah.
Alright, I need that Phillips. I might need a little smaller one. Yeah, maybe a smaller one.
Smaller as in shorter or smaller as in the tip? Oh, we might be in luck. Is it flat or Phillips? Oh. Try that one. She's really on it. Is it stripping that?
Mm-hmm.
It's still too tall.
So, probably should use a flathead so you don't strip these.
Yep.
And please do not reroute this anywhere but the factory way, because you're asking for an issue. Right there.
Yep.
Right there on that side.
Man,
There's a
that
couple
seal
on the
is
bottom.
junky.
Yeah, there's a couple on the bottom. There's a couple on that one too.
Man.
So we'll put the part numbers into the video. We're gonna clean this up and we'll give you a video when this is cleaned up. We're gonna clean the intake housing and clean the intake piping back to the stock air filter. And then we'll throw her back together and show you how to throw her back together. But if you ever see this leaking spot, this is 90%, because you can see the front head cover here. Pristine, not even anything, and this is all wet. I don't have the pedestal leak. I had a fuel leak at one point, but you can see my fill tube has got oil coming out of it. So when it pressurizes the crankcase, it'll come the opposite way through. It's the little things you gotta look for.
Getting her all stuck back together.
Yes, sir. Maybe a little too far back together.
Don't forget, we still gotta put the oil in.
Yo. That's sir. You hate me so much.
This is for
Fuck over Ryan Daly.
FRD for.
No.
This is Ryan.
Fuck over Ryan Daly.
Should have bought one of these.
I don't even give a shit. It leaks. Just air. Boy. Put the green line in. Take the red line. Light the bomb. Gonna need another turbo here pretty soon. You want a video of this start?
Let's do it. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just check. All right, go for it.
Diesel down.
Diesel gang. 12 quarts. This is gonna be draining for a while. Look at that big oil pan.
Oh shit.
Oh. Did you open the plug?
What do you mean?
In the pan. No, you didn't open the middle of the pan. Oh shit.
Yeah. Get up from under here.
Put the plug back in the truck. You still got it in your hand.
Put the fucking camera on.
Might as well film it now. It's already happening. There. Is the pan draining?
Yeah, it's going in there. I can hear it. I can feel it coming out.
Oops. Oh yeah,
Leave
she
it.
dropping now. She going quick.
Just leave that the fuck out of it.
Yeah, don't.
Ever put that back in here.
Yeah. Oh, she going fast though.
Hey, YouTube. Take the drain plug out of the fucking oil pan before you do your oil change. You're gonna end up like this.
Yeah. Man, it's just pissing.
Here comes the coolant.
Here comes the coolant. When did you say you were getting your new rims?
Next week, putting 2018.
It's still dripping a little bit. Only caught about 2 quarts of oil.
Environmentally friendly. Listen, when you buy a drain pan, don't put the fucking plug back in it.
Yeah. Leave the cap on and the air plug, but take the drain plug out of it and just throw it in the trash. I don't think it'll ever stop.
You think we're good to go?
Yeah, I think. Give her a good old wipe around the little plug there, and then on the bottom of the pan. And it'll drip, but just shove her in there. After you get it finger tight, give her another wipe down. If it leaks, just come back down there with the impact and give her, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 ugga-duggas, and then call it good. Yeah, that's an ugga-dugga and a half. You good? Or shit, was that a half a ugga-dugga?
Hot shots. Sticker in there.
Hot shot.
Got
Lucas
those.
heavy duty oil stabilizer. Shell Rotella T415W40. Only the good stuff.
I don't watch pro football. Gets you hurt.
Let me show him your knee real quick. Is it the right one? Oh, it's the left one? Oh. Look at that. Ouch.
Then you're at home building a fucking shitbox diesel. Making a name for yourself again. Something you never ever done before. Home is really hard at it. We're gonna need a blue rag here in a basically, Ford designing their stuff to
Be
shitty and nickel and dime you to death until you either traded it in. We got another one.
You know your truck holds a lot of oil when you've already put, what, 3.5 gallons in there and it's not even showing on the dipstick? Let me check again. Yeah, still needs more. Look at that. And then look at the line. I'd say she probably needs the rest of that jug, to be honest. You want me to get her? Yeah, she's good now. Did we check and see if we had a shovel? There's a snow shovel right here. What's that?
Better be some shovel.
And that right there is the easiest way to clean off an oil slick.
More shit on the way. We got the front leveling lift. We got the new rims and tires put on. We got to put the bed on. Got the turbo to put in. Air intake. brakes and rotors.
Don't you gotta do the mirror? I mean, not the mirror, the radio.
CPS 3 is pretty nice unit. Probably not for power stroke, but it's gonna be all done when it's done. This is the shop. Shop. There you go.
Runs good for a $10 whore, don't she?